I cannot wait to share with you how my happy morning chicken burger breakfast is done. This burger is a well-loved superstar in my family, and whenever it is served, you'll never see any leftovers. It's yummy because of the combination of flavors it creates in your mouth. Stay with me till the end and you'll be able to create your very own happy morning chicken burger. Let us go back in time to the night before. You would need to first season the chicken breast with salt. This process is also known as dry brining. Make sure you give the meat a good rub so that the salt permeates throughout and into the meat. Once done, put the chicken into a plastic bag and store it in the fridge till the next morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Now it is time to build our delicious chicken burger. In order to do so, these are what you need. Number 1. A piece of chicken breast that has went through the process of dry brining. Number 2. An egg so that you could transform it into a sunny side up. Number 3. 2 pieces of sliced tomatoes. Number 4. Some cut up fresh lettuce. Number 5. 2 slices of cheddar cheese. Number 6. A burger bun split into 2. Number 7. Mayonnaise. And number 8. Black pepper. With all these ingredients prepared, you are ready to start fixing up the happy morning chicken burger. Start by coating the chicken breast with olive oil on both sides. Then place the meat into the preheated oven at 240 degrees Celsius or 464 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes. Let us start making the sunny side up right now. I'm using medium heat to cook the egg for around 4 to 5 minutes. Shave off the ugly side simply by using a fork and a spoon. And there you go, a masterpiece of an egg. Don't forget the lettuce. Now, sprinkle some good amount of black pepper on it for some heat. Add some salt to taste, and finally, pour some extra virgin olive oil to bind everything together, then give it a good mix. Our chicken is done. As you can see, the meat looks really tender and juicy. Can't wait to take the first bite. Time to slice it up into reasonable bite-sized pieces. Okay, here we go. Turn up the fire, pour some olive oil, and let's start frying up the chicken to summon out those flavors. When you're done, the chicken should have this nice coat of brown. Moving on to the burger buns, what I always do is to let the bun soak up all this savory sweet goodness. Do it for the top bun and the bottom bun as well. Now, place the buns into the oven for around 2 minutes, and when it is done, lay the slices of cheese on both buns, then let it toast for another 2 minutes again. Here comes the final and the happiest part of all. It is time to build our burger. We are going to place the bottom bun on the serving plate. Then we will start laying the lettuce. It will act as a cushion for what is to come. Once done, add some mayonnaise. Then proceed to bring 2 slices of tomatoes to the party. Next, add those juicy chicken pieces. More mayonnaise. Then blanket the burger with your sunny side up. And finally, seal the deal with the top burger bun. This is it. My happy burger is fun to make, easy to learn, healthy to eat, and it is packed with deliciousness. But most importantly, it was created and made with love.
Morning, early breeze. The lovers stay alive.